Hey guys, this is Keith with Adventure Hobby Passions. Yes, I'm doing a channel takeover. We're here at the Nebo Expo. We got the Nebo behind me. And we're gonna be going to watch the drift event. So, with that in case, remember a couple years ago, I was doing a lot of the drift stuff. And so, we're gonna have fun with the drift event there. So, as we get ready to start the racing, I will get closer to them and we'll go from there. So, we'll wait for the racing action.
Moments later, more moments later.
I've been dreaming on in my head like I've seen it. A life worth living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating. I'm feeding this demon. Got a taste, can't erase bitterness in my face. Work a job every day till your dreams fade away. Like a card, never change, play the game that we say. I need a break. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on.
guys at some of the race footage, but now we've got Devin's neighbor. I got him. He's got this beautiful drift trike, man. It was in hot rod and it got second place. This thing is beautiful. But we're gonna get him catching some rips and then maybe some of me. You good? Okay. What? You're locking the wheel too fast. There we go. There we go. Lock it, go. Oh. Close. My turn now. We'll see if I can still do it after a couple years. Traction on me, that's not cool.
Alright, what a way to end this video, Keith. Thanks for taking over the channel for a bit. Way to crash it, spin out at the end and then kill the engine as well. Anyways, I think it's a pretty awesome video and not super crazy my content, but if you see if this drift trike video gets a ton of views, we're gonna build a drift trike for Keith. So what do you guys want? Come on, let's do it. But either way, hopefully you enjoyed. Like, comment, share, subscribe. But biggest thing with my channel, go out and go find your passion.